Come on.
Man.
Just do it. That's it. That's
You know, like, okay.
I don't even know.
Just do it. We gave you money.
What did you do that for? You're supposed to eat those things. Let's see.
Let's see.
You already bit the head off. You bit the head off and fucking threw the rest of it.
Just do it.
Eat it.
Don't puke on my
Eat it.
floor.
Was it good?